Welcome to J&J's test video of T5CE020. This is a 2005 C6 Corvette Coupe, LS2, 137,000 miles. Runs, would drive if it wasn't missing a front wheel. Show you what we got. 137, 199. Driver's side window regular works. That mirror's faded, but it does work. Better than the mirror you hit in the garage. This window doesn't seem to work, so we'll scope out what's up with that. Heater controls are worn out. Radio works. Got the 05 only airbag. Auto dimming mirror works. Alright, that's it. As always, thank you for watching. Have your pets spayed and neutered.